Hello friends, today we will see exercise 3.1 question number 4. In this lesson, pair of linear equation in two variables. Already we studied question number 1, 2, 3. You should watch that video and then go to this video. Now see question number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Only two things are there, consistent and inconsistent. If consistent is there, we have to find out the graphical solution. That graphical solution also we studied already in previous questions and videos. So don't miss out that video. Now see here, first example, linear equation is given in two variables x plus y equal to 5, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Now these two equations we will write here in standard form, x plus y equal to 5. Now here this 5 we will bring it this side, so it's become minus x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Question number 1. Then 2x plus 2y equal to 10. This 10 we will bring this side, so it's become minus side and equal to 0, means it is equation number 2. Then in standard form we received these two equations, so easily we can find out a1 a1 a2 or b1 b2 in both equations. So first consider first equation. So here no coefficient for x and y, no coefficient means that coefficient is 1. So a1 is 1, b1 is 1 and c1 is minus 5, minus sign you have to write. Now consider second equation, x 2x is given, so means a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 2 and c2 equal to minus 10. So keep it in this ratio a1 upon a2. So here a1 upon a2 is given, so 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 means equal to 1 upon 2 and c1 upon c here given minus 5 and minus 10 means minus 5 has become plus 5 ones are 5, 5 to 10, 1 upon 2. All three ratios are same. See here. So we observe that a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, means these two ratios are equal, means both lines are coincident. So here equation 1 and 2 have infinitely many common solution. If coincident or ratios are equal means it is coincident. Coincident means we are getting infinitely many common solutions. So given linear equation is consistent means it is dependent. This word we already studied. Now graphical representation we can do and we will get the exact solution. We plot the graph of equation and equation 2. But exact solution also means what? There is a coincident, but coincident line, so infinitely many common solution will get. But this is the only one line. One line means that there is a whatever values equations are there, that coincidence. One line means that another line is there, but it is a coincident. So in intersecting line we are getting exactly one solution. Here many common solutions we are getting. Now graphical representation, see here for equation 1 and 2, for equation if x plus y equal to 5, so y equal to 5 minus x means this x we are bringing this side, so it's become minus 5 minus. If we are putting x equal to 0, so put this in equation 0 means 5 minus 0 equal y equal to 5. And if you are keeping y equal to 0, then in this equation only x plus 0 equal to y, so x equal to 5. Now see, for equation second, x plus 2y equal to 10. So 2y equal to 10 minus 2x, y equal to 10 minus 2x upon 2. means y keeping x equal to 1. So in this x equal to 1 means 10 minus 2 means 8 upon 2, and y equal to we will get 4. Then x equal to 2 for another value. No, we got y, so we want now another value. See here, already x equal to there. If here x is 1, then we are getting 4. Now x is 2, then we are getting another value. So 2 points we require, 2 values we required. So we can draw the line on graph paper. So y equal to 10 minus 2x, here 2 into 2, 4. X value is 2. So it's become 4 here. See, 10 minus 4, 2 and 6 upon 2, y equal to 3. So these values we are putting here for equation 1. If x is 0, then we are getting 5. Then x equal to 5, then we are getting 0. Then x equal to, for equation 2, x equal to 1, then y equal to 4, x equal to 2, then y equal to 3. And this only points we are drawing on a graph. This means, see here, this is the one point. Suppose we are given the name here for this point. Suppose here, see here, this x means here we can say point A, this point B, this 0 means 0, 5 means point A, and 5 and 0 point B. Okay, and this we can say x and y. So you can write here, otherwise like write like this also. Point A is 0, 5, and then point B. Here, see, point B is 5, 0. This is for equation 1. And this x, point x is for equation 2. Point x, then point y for equation 2, and that only point we are plotting here. See here, A, point A is 0, 5 means what? X is 0. See, x is 0, and on y axis 5 is there, means this point A 0, 5. Then point B, x is 5. See here, 5, and on y axis, x is this x axis, so 5, y axis 0 means this 0. So point is coming here 5, 0 means we receive the A and B, and this you can draw A and B line, AB line. This A and B points you can draw, so we will get line AB for equation 1. Then x is 1 and 4 means 1 is for x. See here, 1 and 4 here. Okay, 1 and 4. Then for y, 2 and 3. 2 means for x axis 2, and here 3. 3 point is here. Okay, so here on that line means this is the coincident line. On that seam, x and y is also coming on that AB, means this is the coincident, and many solutions we are getting. Okay, common many infinitely solutions giving. So we observe that line AB and XY are coincident. Equation 1 and 2 have infinitely many common solution, and given pair of linear equation is consistent dependent. Now second example, x minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. This we are writing in standard form. This minus 8 we are bringing this side, so minus 8, and this 16 being this side, so minus 16 equal to, means equation 1 and 2. So find out here, A1 is 1, B1 is minus 1, C1 is minus 8. Here A1, A2 is 3, B2 minus 3, and C2 minus 16 here. So keep it in this ratio, A1 upon A2, see, A1 upon A2, 1 upon 3, B1 upon B2 minus 1 upon 3, means minus minus become plus, C1 upon C2 minus 8 upon 16, minus minus plus. So 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 1 upon 2. These two are A1, this one is equal. We observe that A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2, not equal to, this ratio is not equal to, we received here 1 upon 2, and here 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. So line 1 and 2 are parallel. If 1 and parallel, there is a no solution. Equation 1 and 2 have no solution, so it forms an inconsistent pair. Then example 3. Here also already it is standard form, just we'll write this equation as it is and then find out a1. a1 is 2, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 6, a2 4, b2 minus 2 and c2 minus 4. So write in ratios from a1 upon a2, 2 upon 4, so it is 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 is minus 1 upon 2. Minus sign is there for 2, it's minus sign. Here 2 minus sign, c1 upon c2 minus 6 upon 4, 3 upon 2 minus minus plus. We observe that a1, a2 not equal to b1. Here sign is different, means it is completely opposite. They are not equal. a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. So equation 1 and 2 are intersecting. If intersecting, you know that intersecting means exactly one solution is getting. Where intersection point is there, that is the exact solution of a given linear equation. So given pair of linear equation is consistent. No, you can draw the graph here, graphical representation. Same way we have to put the any values you can take for x. Suppose here x equal to 0, so put it in this equation. Directly you can put 2 minus 2 into 0 plus 6 means it is a 6. This is 0 and 6 as it is, so y equal to 6. Now putting y equal to 0, put this value 0 equal to minus 2x plus 2x, we are bringing this x become plus 2x equal to 6. X equal to 6 upon 2 means is 3. Now this is for equation 1. So we can write here this is for equation 1. Now again we have to find out for same way equation 2. So here 2x 4x minus 2y minus 4 you can divide by 2, all can divide by 2. So 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 if you are dividing by 2. Here like this, see, you can divide here 4x 2 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So divided by 2, so 4x minus divided by 2, 2y upon 2 minus 4 upon 2 equal to 0, 0 will come. So 2 ones are 2, here 2 will come, here 1 and 1, 2 ones are 2 means we are getting 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Then you can put this value. So 2x equal to what will come? This will come this side, so become plus y plus 2. X equal to y plus 2 upon this 2 is coming this side, so x equal to 0. So putting this value y plus 2 equal to 0 and y equal to minus 2. X equal to 1, then see it's become 2, y plus 2, 2 ones are to 2, y plus 2. And this 2 we are bringing this side, become 0. 2 minus 2, this 2 is coming this side, so y equal to 0. So we are putting this in table values of this. This is for equation 2nd. Now same points we plot here. Point L means this is for equation 1. No, point L 0 6, point M 3 0 for equation 1, and just now we received this one for equation 2. Same way we have to plot here. Now see 0 6 means what? X on x-axis 0. See x-axis 0 and 6 is on y-axis, means 0 6. Then 3 means x on 3x x-axis 3 is there. See x-axis 3 and 0. Then same way here x-axis 0 and minus 2. 0 here minus 2. And y 1 and 1. Y here 1 and 0. So here y, here I am showing it. Here space is little less, so it is become congested like this, y and 0. And then you have to draw which line you have to draw. See LM you have to join, and then XY you have to join. See the LM, where is the LM? Here M is there, L is there. This L and M you have to join. See here, and then another one is your second line you have to join here, which is given x and y is given. So here x is there. See this x and y. Then your S point is getting, that S point is here, see, on x-axis. This one you are getting, if you are, see, I am showing here this on x-axis, this is the x-axis, here your point getting S point you are getting. Then means this 2 is there here, this 2 and this 2 means on x-axis 2, y-axis 2, so S intersecting point. This is the your exactly solution, only one solution. Then see here, description also written, we observed that two lines intersect at point S. We have given the name S. 2 and 2 means x equal to 2, y equal to is required unique solution. You can verify also putting x equal to y equal to 0 in both equation. First equation is there, see here, x equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 2, y's value is 2 equal to become is 6, 4 plus 2, 6 equal to 6. Now second equation also you can put 4 into 2, x value is 2, y value is 2, so it's become here 8 minus 4 see. Then 8 minus 4 minus equal to 0, 8 minus 8 0, 0. This verifies the equation. Now example 4. Here equations is given in standard form, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. We are writing this as it is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Then we can find out this A1 and A2 and B1, B2, C1, C2. Then you know that observe this A1, 2, B1 minus 2, C1 minus 2. Here A2 4, B2 minus 4, C2 minus 5, and keep it in these values. 2 upon 4 you are getting 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, and here C1 upon C2 here minus minus become plus, so 2 upon 5. We observe that A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2. This 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, these two ratios are equal. We written that. Hence this line represented by equation 1 and 2 are parallel. Equation 1 and 2 have no solution. So given pair of linear equation is consistent. So this is very simple. Go through it, and before that see the previous video, don't miss out, so you will understand this. Just consistent, inconsistent and consistent, when it is coming, that we have to remember. Hello student, now we will see exercise 3.1 question number 5. Here see the example. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. Now here this is word problem. We have to write. With the help of this given information, we have to write the equation. Linear equation we have to write. Now here dimensions are given. Dimensions given means there is a information is given of that width, dimensions, width and length. With the help of that we have to write the equation. Not directly it is given, and perimeter is given, and all whatever is given, with the help of that we have to write the equations, and then we have to find out x and y. And here they given this, find the dimensions of the garden. Now here let the dimensions length and width of rectangular garden is x meter and y meter respectively. Okay, see here its width is, length is x meter and width is y meter. So here written length equal to x meter, width is y meter. So here it's how it's become, see, half the perimeter of rectangle garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Length. So what is that? Here length is x meter and width is y meter, and here information is given whose length is 4 meter more than the width. So length is x meter, here given x meter, and this length is more than 4 more than width. Width is y and 4 more than, so we have to add this 4 in the width. This length is equal to 4 more than width. So here y plus 4 and this we are writing equation x, we are bringing it this y, x minus y equal to 4. So equation 1. Then perimeter of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Means formula 2 in bracket x plus y. So here and half perimeter means what? 1 upon, we have to multiply 1 upon 2 into this perimeter, 2 into x plus y. So here 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2, so it's become only x plus y, and half perimeter is given 36, so 36 equal to 1 plus y. So x plus 36 equal to x plus y, so x plus y equal to 36. This is the second equation. Now first we got, second we got. Now we can plot on the graph this one. So we have to put some values in. First equation is x minus y equal to 4, so put x equal to 0. So 0 here, minus y equal to 4, and this y equal to minus 4. Y we are not writing for letters minus sign, so y will bring here. You can multiply by minus 1. So minus minus become plus. Here also both side you have to multiply, and this minus 1, so it's become minus 4. Then here again x equal to 4, so we are 4 minus y equal to 4 minus y, and this 4 we are bringing here, is become 0. Y minus y equal to 0 means you can write y equal to 0. For 0 we are not writing minus sign, so you can y equal to 0. For this is equation 1. Same way for equation 2, x plus y equal to 36. So x equal to 20, x equal to 20 plus y 36, y equal to 36 minus 20, y equal to 16, x equal to 16. Then 16 plus y equal to 36, y equal to 36 minus 16. So y equal to, subtraction is y equal to 20. For equations here C, A and B here written here, and C is equal to this for equation second. These only points we have to plot on the graph. Then see A, here point A on x-axis 0 and minus 4. See where is minus 4, means this point 0 and minus 4, this is A point. B is 4 and 0 means 4 on x-axis, 0 y-axis, so B. Here y on axis y, 4, so B. Then another C equal to 20, 16. 20 means it is a x-axis. See here very big number are 20 and 60, 16 and 20. So here how to take on graph paper? If you are writing 1, 2, 3, previous graph we have written 1, 2, 3, small numbers was there. We have to occupy this graph paper completely. On 20 also should come. If you are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, so 20 is not possible. So either you have to take the some unit. This 1 centimeter equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, then here if you are writing 1, 2, 3 is not possible. Otherwise 4 also you can write 4, 8, 12. But here 2 is also possible. 20 we want, maximum number we want. So by 2 it is possible. 2, 4, 6. So 20 we are getting here also. Then see here C point on x-axis 20. So 20 and 16 is coming here. See 20 and 16 is coming here. 20 and 16 we written here 20, 60. Then 16 on x-axis. This 16 is on x-axis. This 16 and axis, and 20 is here. See here. This point you can see here. This x-axis 16 and y-axis 20. So you are getting here D point 16 and here C point. See here 20 and 16. So here this only point you got the interest. These two lines are intersecting here, so you are getting the same point on x-axis 20 and y-axis 16. What we taken, that only intersecting point we received. So means putting here we can give the name. Suppose L we are taking, so L is on here. See, this is the 20 and 16. L x is a 20 and y is a 16, and that only we are taking for the verification. See, putting x equal to 20, y equal to 16. So if you are putting 20 minus 16, our equation is there. 20 minus 16 equal to 4. So 20 here. See here 20 minus 16 equal to 4 equal to 4. So both sides are same. Now another equation, x plus y, second equation, x plus y equal to 36. So 20 plus 16, 36 means this addition is also 36. So what we can write, 36 equal to 36 means our values are correct. So next question, question number 6. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed. If geometrical representation is coming, so it should be intersecting line. For second, parallel lines and coincident line. Only one equation is given. We have to find out the another linear equation, but how it is, then we are taking another equation, that line should be intersecting. Then again one more you have to taking, that means that time parallel lines and coincidence means we have to see the ratio, our ratio a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, how it is. Then we know that when intersecting lines are coming, when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then we are getting the intersecting lines. So like this equation you have to form, that means bring here the another number, different number, so ratio will not come same. Now if you are taking this equation, suppose here 2x is there, so 3x you can take, plus 3y is there, then 2y. Here another equation, but it should not come in after reducing also, maybe you are getting same if it is then proportion, so little different, that ratio should not come same. And minus 7, if you are taking this, now see here a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 8. Now here a2 3, b2 2 and c2 minus 7. So see here a1 upon a2 2 upon 3, b1 3 upon, means it is a different. Here this is also different, means this a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon, means it is a intersecting line. Now for this same equation is same this. Now for we want parallel lines we want, and we have to find out the another equation. When parallel lines are coming, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2. So see the same you can take, then same number you can take, here 2, here 3, and here you can take the different number. So here 2 up, what will come equation then, 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to c1 minus 8 upon 4. See this is 1 is coming ratio, so c1 upon c2 minus 8 upon 4 minus plus 2 upon 1. So a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. This is equal to a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1, means these lines are parallel. Now coincident lines, when coincident, this ratio should be same, then coincident line. Okay, see here here this ratio a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Now another equation we have to same we want. So here if ratios you have double of this is also you can write. See 4x then 6y and minus 16 means that ratio is coming same. 2 upon 4, a1 is 2, b1 3, c1 minus 8, and here for second equation a2 4, b2 6 and c2 minus 16, put in 2 upon 4, 1 upon 2 means here 2 upon 4 means 1 upon 2, then 3 upon 6 means it is 3 upon 6 1 upon 2, this minus plus 8 upon 16 means 1 upon 2, means all three ratios are same. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Lines are coincident lines. Now see question number 7. Draw the graphs of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Now see here, two lines are given. In two lines are given, we have to draw the graph and determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. We will get the triangle and formed by the lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. Now we'll see given equations are there. First simple thing is there two lines are given, we know that how to draw the graph. Then these two equations are there or two lines are there, find out the points and draw the graph, and then we will see what to do. Now given equation is there, these two equations are already given. From this equation we can find out the values of x and y. Here also x and y means we will get the points, two values we have to find out. Suppose here equation is there x equal to 0, so here y equal to 1. Then if you are putting x equal to minus 1, then you will get the y equal to 0. This only values we are putting here, x 0, 1, minus 1 and 0. For equation 2 same way, equation is there, put the x equal to 4. X equal to 4 means 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 2y equal to 12, 2y equal to this 12 and this 12 is coming this side means 12 minus 12, 0, y equal to 0. If x equal to 4, y equal to 0. Then y equal to 0, put here 0, 2y minus 12 equal to 0, 2y equal to 12, y equal to 6 means 12 upon 2 equal to 6, here 0 and 6. So now you are very familiar with that to draw the graph if point is there. Now plot these points. Suppose C is 0, 1 and D is minus 0 for equation 1, and here see x 4 and 0 and y 4 and 6 for equation 2. Now see your first, your C is 0, 1. 0, 1 means we have written here. Now see, we plot the points C and D for equation 1, x and y for equation 2. Now see, C is 0, 1 means x-axis 0, x-axis 0 and 1 means here 1 is there, but I am writing here point C. C 0, 1. Try to understand, here on x-axis 0, y-axis this is the 1, and this point writing I am here C and 0, 0 and 1. Then D minus 1, 0 means minus 1 is on x-axis here and 0 is y-axis, so minus 0. D I am writing here, just note showing that D minus 1, but here minus 1 and here 0 is there. Then same way x-axis, x-axis is here seen on x-axis 4 and 0. Here this 4 is there and this 0, so I am writing here x is 4. Y 4, 0 and 6 means 0 is here and 6 here. 0 is here and 6, origin 6. And then drawing this line, suppose x, y, we are drawing this line x and y. Then another line is what here? This point C and D. Point and C, here point C and D. We are drawing this. This line will go through this point C and D. Just here see. Then if you are drawing this line further, then you will get triangle. These two lines you are increasing as x and y here and C and D is here. Then at point E, these lines are intersecting. These lines are intersecting. So what is the question here? Check that. Here, determine the coordinate vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Then now see here, triangular region we got, so we shade this triangular region and we have to write the vertices of these triangles. 3, you know that for triangle 3 vertices are there. Then C, E is 2 and 3. Then D minus 1 and 0 and 4, x is 4 and 0. So coordinate of the vertices of the triangle is given. We have to observe the figure. All things are correct. Okay student, like that we have completed exercise 3.1. In next video we will see exercise 3.2. So don't miss out and please share and subscribe this channel.